12x12 Pietralavica gray porcelain pavers being compacted with our Hardscape sand, our black polymeric sand. Compaction of the polymeric sand into the joints. I'm sorry, it's a little bit loud here. We're on a construction site. The compaction of our polymeric sand is essential to making sure that your joint is filled and there are no air pockets before activating your polymeric sand. See, some people use a Weber roller compactor or a compaction mat to protect the compactor. Here they're using a carpet. Whatever method works, just protect the plate.